All right, I'm gonna make you a promise right now. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to build a digital product business that generates over $100,000 per month. And then I'm gonna show you the exact step-by-step system that has helped me and thousands of my students achieve these same results. I've spent the last 7 years of my life in the digital product realm, whether we're selling info or courses or software or games or content, you name it. And through this, I've amassed over $30 million in revenue and $8 million in profit. There has simply been a revolution, an absolute shift in the era that has made selling digital products easier than ever before. It's like when Shopify came out and made e-commerce more profitable and more accessible. And now, let me show you exactly how you can make $100,000 a month selling digital products in 4 simple steps. Now, you can't just go ahead and sell anything online, okay? The only things that people buy are solutions to things that actually frustrate them. And what we need to do is we need to identify what your UVZ is. And your UVZ is what's known as a unique value zone. Your UVZ is something that you are really good at or something that you know a lot about. Now, once you have that quantified, all you need to do is identify the problem that people are facing that your unique value zone can actually fix for them. Let me give you an example. Are you really organized? Okay, well, most people aren't, so you can fix this problem for them. Are you super productive? Most people aren't. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna 10x their productivity in less than 30 days. Are you incredibly motivated? Most people lack motivation. So light a fire in their soul that simply cannot be extinguished. Are you really fit from a specific diet or regimen? Okay, well, I'm pretty sure 90% of the world, or of Americans anyways, are overweight. Help somebody lose 10 pounds of fat in less than 60 days. Now, once you've identified the exact problem people are facing that you have the solution to, because that's your unique value zone, all you need to do is move into the next step, which is developing the actual solution. All right, now what I need you to do is I need you to write down that exact problem that people are facing, and then not directly underneath it, I need you to write down your exact solution, because this is what we're going to turn into a digital product. Whether it's a PDF, a WAP, a school program, you name it, it does not matter. It means simply outline every single piece of information that you know about this very specific problem, and what we're going to do is we're going to teach somebody how to fix it. All right, now let me actually show you. So let's say you're super strong and fit because your daily gym and diet regimen. Your program is gonna look something like this, right? You're gonna start off with the intro, and then you're gonna immediately dive into the secrets that you know about said topic. You want this to be as in-depth, clear, and concise as you possibly can, to the point where anybody can pick this up and easily gain a newfound understanding for the topic. All right, we have the product and we're ready to move to the next step. This one right here is my favorite step, okay? Mapping out the customer's journey. And here, I'm gonna make it incredibly easy for you. So if your product is $49 or less, you're gonna send people directly from social media such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok straight to a WAP checkout link. If your product is $50 to $1,000, this is known as a medium ticket, I want you to send them to a ClickFunnels landing page, which is incredibly easy to set up, by the way. And from this point forward, I want you to collect their emails upon, let's say, applying for the product. After they submit their information, you're then going to send them directly to the checkout page. Now, if they don't buy, this is what's known as an abandoned cart, and you're simply going to shoot them over a few emails, maybe even a text message, simply asking if there's any quick questions that you can answer for them and encourage them to buy the product. All right, let's say your product is over $1,000. What I want you to do is I want you to direct everybody from YouTube, Instagram, etc., directly into a landing page where we're going to snag their name, email, and phone number. You can use ClickFunnels, Go High Level, HubSpot, you can use Framer. It does not matter what the landing page is, okay? And then I want you to store this information somewhere like Go High Level, HubSpot, Airtable, okay? Then as soon as they submit their information, we're gonna send them directly, instead of a checkout link, we're gonna send them to a booking page like Calendly or Cal or iClosed. And that is where we're going to actually meet with the person and discuss more about the product. Each one of those systems is tailored to the price of the product. The less expensive the product, the easier it is to convince somebody to buy. The more expensive, the more people want greater details on exactly what it is that they're buying. All right, the last piece to this puzzle is the marketing. We have the entire customer journey mapped out, but we want to make sure that the right people hit our landing page. And it's simple, and it doesn't require you to show your face at all. All I need you to do is make a YouTube channel and create content surrounding your product. And no, like I said, if you do not want to show your face, you do not have to. There are hundreds and hundreds of thousands of YouTube channels that are wildly successful that didn't need to show their face to get there. This content can be study, research, debunked. It could be Miro boards, Google spreadsheet read-throughs. It can be sit-down style content like I'm doing. It can be entirely animated. It does not matter, okay? The one thing that I want you to remember is the person who has an issue with something is simply searching for the solution, okay? Which is why I prefer to use YouTube organic marketing over anything else. People that use like Instagram or TikTok or X are sitting there for brain rot content, right? They're just simply scrolling. But people looking for actual information are on YouTube doing actual searches. Now, kind of think of a time that you were doing some kind of research for an answer on something, okay? Whether you were using YouTube or Google, did you really need the person to be showing their face in order for you to extract the information from them? No, you do not care. The point is you're making content for the solution that people have a problem with. And earlier, for our example, when we did the 30-day sprint, I'm gonna give you 2 ways that I would go about marketing this with and without face, okay? Firstly, with face, let's pretend I'm shredded. I would simply go and record all my routines, regimens, and even make videos on me following my exact 30-day sprint. And I would showcase the food that I would eat, the workouts I would do, and I would talk about the mental framework that was developed in order to get to that point. Alongside that, I would take loads of inspiration from people that are in that YouTube fitness sphere, like Sebum or David Lade or Sam Solik, and I would incorporate some of those ideas into my own branding. Now, let's say I didn't want to show my face, but I still wanted to get sales, okay? And me personally, I actually have multiple YouTube channels that do not show my face, and they generate me a lot of sales. One of the things I do is I use Miro board. So in this example, I'm going to mention Miro board. I would just create very detailed and structured Miro board videos and simply record my screen using Loom. Here's some like video ideas that I would structure and come up with. So for an example, the best exercise for men, fitness, and longevity, or how exercise may be the most potent medical interventions ever known, or how to force muscle growth, 5 science-based methods, okay? And I would simply wireframe everything out in detail, and I would record it and post it on YouTube. Very, very simple, okay? People are searching for it. They will simply find your video and they will click on your video. They do not care the structure of the video. They just want to know that there is a solution out there for the problem that they have. All right, for my final message, I need you to understand that you need to have a monumental shift. And that shift is an understanding that we're not selling time. We are selling a transformation, okay? Your product is something that is gonna work 24/7, even when you're asleep. This is why it is the most powerful business model in the entire world. I need you to remember your vision, whether it is vacation, whether it's financial freedom, whether it was something personal. This right now is your moment. If you ended up feeling a little overwhelmed in this video and you kind of just want it broken down step by step, okay? There's a link in the description that is going to allow you to apply for my education program that covers more than just information. As a matter of fact, it gives you not only the information, but the teams involved. It gives you the systems, it gives you the SOPs, and it gives you the live coaching to take you from A all the way to Z. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now.